Okay guys, here's my eggs I just gathered. I put it in my salad bowl. Here is Max. He is very, very exhausted. He's asleep on the picnic table. So I'll show you what I've done in the garden today. I've worked very, very, very hard. Well, Grant and I have. He built me another bed actually. So we've got us some wood here for an outside fire maybe later when I'm able to walk. Okay, let's get in here. You can see, look what I've done. I've done that a couple of days ago. See the little, I found those in front of the house down under the front porch, so I thought it would be cute to put them there. And he's got my little things hanging here. Okay, so Gran says 2 tomatoes and 2 peppers this year. Okay, so I want to show you. Here's 5 tomatoes. I just put those out today. So look how cute. This is the new little bed he made me today. Look at there. Because I'm running out of room. I didn't do it right. I put way too much seed and too many plants. So there's my cabbage. It's starting to come together. See? That's cute. I had 4 here and 1 died. This one here, it died. You see, it's gone. The rest of this bed is carrots. And you can see them starting to come up a little bit. And you see them starting to come up a little bit here. I don't know if you can see them or not. Yeah, there you go. Hey, there's some. They're not coming up very fast, but they're coming up. There's some more, and there are some. So here's where I put 5. I planted 5 of my zucchini today. And remember, this right here is going to be for my beans, okay? So here is 10 pepper plants. I've got this end. Look, it's already getting, look right here. I'm going to have peppers before long, look. So these 4 here are hot bananas. These 2 are bell, which will end up being hot bell because they're next to the hot bananas. And these 4 are sweet banana. So of course, here's my onions. See, they've done really, really good. They've done real good. So I brought my strawberries in here. I've not showed y'all yet. There's the suckers still going on. All these suckers. See, look, they're looking really good. That's got a little bit on it. That's an apple. These other ones are plums. You can see they're doing good. The rabbit ate this one down to nothing. You can see it's got just a little bit of stick right here. See there? So there's another plum. These are plums. Apple over there and plum. So Gran brought my strawberries and put in here. So I kind of swindled him out of these that he used for the cows for water. So, but my strawberries is looking really, really, really good. See, they got bloom on them and they all got to be watered. There's a little strawberry in here. See, it's kind of, oh, it's just too dry. It's not looking good, I don't think, but, so anyway. So here's a tomato plant. Okay, guys, I'm going to count them before I hang up because I got too many and I still have 4 tomato plants. There's pepper. Look here, guys, I've stuck it in everything I could possibly put it in. Tomato. I don't know what I got planted in that. I got something in that. Pepper, and you can see, look here, I'm gonna have pepper soon. Look here, see that? Pepper. There's a tomato plant. Pepper plant. These are flowers because these keep the deer away, but they're coming up slow. Look how slow, you can barely see them. This poor old bucket, nothing's coming up yet. So there's more of the flowers. They're orange. They ain't magnolias, are they? Marigolds, that's what they are. There's more. Here's my little plant. I set one out in the yard last year, and it didn't live through the winter. So I told Granville, I said, I'm going to put it in a pot. That way, if it dies in the yard, I will still have it. But see, look, it's got bit. I set it out like 2 weeks ago, and it's got bit right here. Look at that. But it's coming back. Look how cute that thing is. Look down in there. So here's another one. It got bit a little bit. But anyway, here is all of my beets. They're coming up. Look how they're coming up. Can you see them? They are coming up good. Look at there. And here's a straggler tomato plant. There is a straggler tomato plant. And Gran's like, just leave those in there. See all my beets coming up? Look at there. They're coming up. I got all kinds of beets canned. I'm not for sure why I needed to use this whole bed for beets, but I did. Here is another tomato plant. Another one. There's another one. So I'll have to pull them out. I think that's another one over there. There's another one. Jeez. Okay, so this is what we've done today, guys. I don't know if you can see. We put up this fence right here for my peas, my sugar snap peas. They all didn't come up, but see how pretty they are? Look at there. See, I got some empty spaces. Look here, I got empty spaces, so I need to come and plant some more. But we put this fence up so they can run up on the fence. Gran had to put this bar in there to keep the fence pulled back a little bit. Here's my radishes. Look at my radishes, how pretty. Ain't they pretty? And I had 2 more cabbage plants over here just because I had them and didn't have nowhere to put them over there. So we'll put beans in this thing. I've got my beans. I'm too tired. I got church tonight, so I'm too tired to plant them tonight. But I want to show you my garlic. Look here. You know that garlic I planted back in, last September last year? Honey, look at this garlic. Look how pretty this thing is. Look how big they are. They're huge. Look how beautiful. And they're clean. Look, there's no bugs. They're just beautiful. And I'll tell you, I think the little trick to it, same thing to my lettuce. Look how pretty this lettuce is. I'm cutting the lettuce. Cut the lettuce with a pair of scissors and it'll grow back. So see, I just cut some of this lettuce out for a big salad today. But look how pretty this is. This is beautiful. This is the prettiest bed of lettuce that we've ever had. And I ordered it, and it was just like a bunch of seeds, but I put them all together. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this over here. Different kinds, all different kinds, and it's soft it's just beautiful. So I got my spinach in there. See my spinach coming up in here? Look at there. Yeah, right there. It ain't getting too much light because my lettuce is overtaking it. It's beautiful though. Look, there's my spinach. Look at there. But the lettuce is gorgeous. That's just a straggler of a garlic I've dropped. I don't know how you drop a garlic, but I guess I did and didn't know it. But look how pretty and thick this is. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty, and it feels so good. It's just beautiful. So there is that. And my garlic. Oh, I tell you why I think my garlic and stuff done so well. I've never had garlic to this big. I did put a tomato plant right there. Because I picked the onions today for a big salad, and I thought, okay, I've got an empty space. I got 4 more tomato plants, guys, plus these in this bed that I've got to do something with. But anyway, I put chicken poo through the winter, the fall, all in my dirt, and I just kept, I have compost, but I put it in the dirt because there was nothing in the beds. But before I planted the garlic, I put it in the dirt. You don't want to put too much because it will burn it up. So I'm going to try something this year, which is Granville and I's idea. So I planted this, I'm running out of space. Even though he built me that new bed, I didn't fill it up. So I put some chicken poo in the bottom of this pot, and in the main bottom, and then I put dirt, and then I put potting soil. So we'll see if that helps, if that does anything. I got all my plastic up because we've had to be covering up our stuff. It's been so cold here. And I've got all this stuff. So we'll see how it's all going to grow. We'll see how this does in these pots. This is my poor, pitiful lemon tree. Anybody got any ideas? My lemon tree is not looking good. It's still got green on it. Can you see the green right here? See, it's good and moist. I've got it good and moist, look. See? It's not that it's not water, but here's another piece of green right here. But the rest of it, maybe I should cut all this brown off of it and get it out of there. Maybe that's taking the nutrients, and this will die also. But see, this looks pretty healthy here, and down in here looks pretty healthy. But it's these ends, they look pretty bad. Maybe I should just cut them off. So, but anyway, guys, we're going to see how this is going to do. But look, this is what it looks like. But it'll look so much better whenever we get all of our plants coming up. But we've got 2 boxes, and now we've got more there. So, and then maybe tomorrow morning, if I feel like it, maybe I will plant my green beans. I'm going to try a different kind of green beans this year. I'm going to try Blue Lake pole beans. Gran don't really like white half runners, so we're not going to do those this year. We've done them before, but I think he really likes the pole beans because there's not a lot of string in it. Makes it easier to can. So, but anyway, I'll show you when they start coming up, and hopefully the rest of these carrots will start coming up, and the peppers and the tomatoes will do really good. Well, I was going to show you, look how cute the arbor is Granville made me. I'm sure I already showed you, but look how cute it is. Look how cute. Is that just not gorgeous? He's just so precious. Look at that. God's so good. Gave me such a good husband 45 years ago. In June, next month will be 45 years. And we went together for a year, so it makes 46 years. But we got all this stuff done, so we're praying. I always pray for God to bless my vegetables so I can bless others. And he always does. He always gives me plenty, and I'm able to give to who needs it or wants it. And so every year we pray for that, and we've already prayed, and we'll keep praying for that. Blessings from above. He always blesses us. So hope y'all are gardening. Hope you're putting some things out. If you haven't, learn to put some things out. Grow. It's wonderful. It's a good stress reliever. It's good knowing you're growing food that don't have all that preservatives in it. Don't have all those additives. It's just fresh from the ground, and just blessings. God gives us the ability to do this. So we will show you some more whenever these plants start growing and start getting bigger, and our beds start getting full. And then we're going to be canning, so we'll bring that on the YouTube also. Hey, y'all have a blessed day. God bless every one of y'all, and thanks for watching.